Securing a packing job can be an excellent entry point into the logistics and warehouse industry. Team Staff Direct, known for their expertise in recruitment, specializes in matching candidates with suitable packing positions. This guide will provide you with comprehensive insights on how to find packing jobs through Team Staff Direct and optimize your job search in the packing sector. Number 1. Understanding packing jobs and their importance. Packing jobs involve preparing items for shipment, ensuring they are safely and efficiently packaged according to company standards. These roles are crucial in supply chain operations, contributing significantly to the distribution and logistics industries. 2. The role of Team Staff. Direct as a packing recruitment agency, Team Staff Direct serves as a vital link between job seekers and employers looking for skilled packing personnel. They offer a range of services from listing current job openings to placing candidates in roles that suit their skills and career goals. 3. How to find packing jobs with Team Staff. Direct. Register with the agency. Start by registering with Team Staff Direct, providing them with your resume and details about your experience and qualifications. Browse job listings. Regularly check their website for the latest packing job vacancies. Team Staff Direct updates their listings frequently with new opportunities. Apply for jobs. Apply for the positions that match your skills and preferences. Ensure your application highlights your relevant experience and capabilities in packing or related fields. 4. Tips for a successful packing job search. Tailor your resume. Customize your resume to highlight your experience in packing or similar roles. Include any relevant certifications or training. Prepare for interviews. Be ready to discuss your previous experiences in detail, focusing on your efficiency, accuracy, and ability to work in team settings. Follow up. After interviews, follow up with the agency or the employer to express your continued interest and inquire about the next steps. 5. Leveraging Team Staff Direct for optimal job placement. Utilize their expertise. Take advantage of the career advice and support services provided by Team Staff Direct. They can offer insights into improving your job prospects and preparing for the packing job market. Networking. Engage with Team Staff Direct's networking events and online platforms to connect with industry professionals and potential employers. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated on industry trends and new technologies in packing to enhance your employability. Conclusion. Finding packing jobs through Team Staff Direct can streamline your job search and increase your chances of securing a position that fits your skills and career aspirations. By following these steps and utilizing the resources offered by Team Staff Direct, you can successfully navigate the packing job market and embark on a rewarding career path. Get in touch with us info@staffdirect.go.staffdirect.com.